Okay.
Or like start with the full thing in the pants?
Already.
Oh. So these are the jogger pants that I made. Damn it. I'm not ready. Start over. So these are the finished jogger pants. I made these off of the other pattern we made with the yoga pants. So I just wanted to show you guys the end results. And then I'll show you how to sew them. Pull them up like that. You can pull them down. However you want to wear them. But I'll show you how to sew them together. But I just made these off of the yoga pant pattern that I did. And I just narrowed the leg down so that would be more like jogger style. All right. These are the tools that you'll need to create the pattern and materials to sew. Also, if you don't feel like making your own pattern, I have an e-pattern for sale in my shop, and it comes together with the jogger pants style. I'll put the link to the shop in the description box, so if you want to purchase the pattern, you can just purchase it and use my pattern rather than making your own. Okay, so you're going to take your yoga pants pattern and you're going to just trace it.
Huh?
Filming.
What?
I'm not talking to you. Alright, so then you're going to...
What do we have for lunch anyways?
Yep. You're going to locate your inseam. And then I like to measure... I like to follow this line to about, you know, a little ways down. Just so that the thigh and, you know, the top leg can be about the same fit. And then I like to pivot in like that and then take it to the inseam length I got. And you can just eyeball it, doesn't have to be perfect. So then after that, you take your ruler and you just draw a straight line. You want to figure out the middle, probably the middle of this line right here. So this is about 8 inches. So we're going to go halfway into the 4 inches right here. So then you just mark about the same. It's about 2 inches. So mark the same amount on this side. 2 inches. It's about even like that. So then what you're going to do is just going to take this line and just kind of draw it to, yeah, about, you know, keep this line, but you're gonna kind of just blend it in. And then you can just blend it into this line when you get here, like that. And same thing, you're gonna go to this line. It doesn't have to be perfect. Again, you just are narrowing the path and you just kind of blend it in.
Good?
Think so?
I was like, oh no. Throwing shit.
Alright, and so this is going to be your new pattern with the narrow leg. And so okay, so here you have the back pant and the front pant, and I have the right sides facing up. So what you're gonna do is take the pant like this, and you're just going to flip it over to the other side. so that it's the right sides facing together. And you're just going to match the side seams like this. It's close together. And of course you're going to want to pin them. And then the same thing, the inseam. Alright, so then you have the side seams, the inseam, and the side seam here. Same for the other leg. Okay, so now we need to put the crotches together. So the best thing to do is take one leg and you're going to flip it inside out like that. Then you're going to take, so this is the back side, match it to the back side. You're going to take this leg and place it inside this one. So now you have one leg flipped right side out and put into the other leg. So then you're going to go here. You're going to take the crotch and match that up in the middle. And then you're going to put the two back sides together. I have two little notches here to indicate, and here's the notch here. So you're just going to put that together. Pin it. And then so there's your back crotch. Now you're going to take it on over to the right side, no, the front side. So same thing, you have this little and you have this notch, so you're going to match those together. And so that way you have the front side all the way around. You're going to sew the back and the front crotch all in one movement here, and I will show you. Alright, so this is your waistband. So I have the right sides facing up, so I just take this one and I just flip it on top of the other. And I have these little washi tape stickers showing that this is the wrong side of the fabric, because sometimes it gets a little mixed up. Take this, you're going to sew down this side seam, and then you're going to sew down this side seam. Alright. So this is the waistband. What I'm going to do is just take this And the fabric is right side out, and this is right side out. Just match up the side seams. So these are the ankle cuffs, the right sides are up. So you just take one side like that